that might have been it breaking up. But
No, it has one more burn.
No, but it looked like it felt like it looked like a cinder.
Oh. No, this is normal where it's like... See, they're giving it like little bursts. That's so cool. So now it should be at 1,000 feet, I think, is when it starts. Come on, come on. There we go.
What?
Come on.
Look at that, Rafi. That's really cool.
It's coming back.
Are you taking video?
Yeah. Woo!
That's so cool.
Come on.
Go SpaceX.
Well.
It's like sci-fi.
Yeah. It came back. Wow. Wow. Yay! Whoa. That's not good.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's not. Yeah, no, it blew up. Well. Oh, for what?
Are you sure that wasn't just a sonic boom coming late?
You should hear the sonic boom before it hits the ground.
What was that?
I think that was it blowing up. I think it blew up.